Yo, it's Holy Joe Rock and Roll, February 7th. Another big snowstorm. Started last night. They say we could expect up to 30 centimeters of snow, which is roughly 10, 12 inches. 12, 13 inches. Hopefully we won't get that much snow, but it's possible. Pretty nice, huh? I haven't seen any car accidents. You see, people here use snow tires. That's number one. Number two, people tend to drive a little bit slower when the weather is bad. Makes sense, right? Slow down, be safe. And number three, people don't have those big ass American cars here. Well, not everybody. A few people do. But most people got smaller cars, so take it kind of slow. I have to laugh. I was watching the news recently, and they showed some cities where there was, freezing weather, but in the North Carolina kind of places. And the one guy said, I'm a country boy. No, I'm a good old southern boy. I don't like the snow, I don't like the freezing weather. I'm okay with that, I hear you, but listen, man, you got to adapt, adjust yourself, modify, for the conditions on the ground. And if it snows, if the ground is freezing, you gotta do what you gotta do to maintain. So, whew, man, it's Holy Joe Rock and Roll coming to you live. Snowstorm, February. Peace.